Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a 8-ball unavailable. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball unavailable, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to 8-ball. When you'll find this window here of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8-ball. When you will find it, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.